In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on computer/laptop. To begin, open the web browser that is already installed on your computer. On many Windows laptops and desktop computers, this will usually be Microsoft Edge. If you are using a different system, you can simply open the default browser that came with your device. The goal here is just to get online so you can download Google Chrome directly from the official website. Once your browser is open, go to the Google Chrome website. You can type the Chrome website address into the address bar at the top of the browser window, or search for Google Chrome and open the official result. Make sure you are on the official Google site before downloading anything. This is important because downloading software from the correct source helps keep your computer secure and ensures you get the latest version of the browser. When the page loads, look for the blue Download Chrome button and click it. This will open the download prompt. You may also see an option related to sending usage statistics and crash reports to Google. This setting is optional. If you prefer not to share that information, simply uncheck the box before continuing. If you are comfortable with that setting enabled, you can leave it as it is. After that, click Accept and Install. This tells Google that you agree to the terms and begins the download process. Depending on your browser and your internet speed, the file may download right away, or you may be asked where to save it. In most cases, the download will start automatically. Once the download begins, wait for it to complete. This usually only takes a moment on a stable internet connection. After the installer is downloaded, your computer may show a security prompt or confirmation message before proceeding. If that appears, simply review the message and continue if everything looks correct. The installer will then begin setting up Google Chrome on your computer. Give it a little time to finish. During installation, Chrome may open automatically when it is ready. At that point, the browser is installed and ready to use. If you want, you can later choose Chrome as your default browser, so links open there automatically. But the main installation is now complete. That covers everything you need to know.